enjoy your grass. Time I took this off. Okay, buddy, the camera is not edible. Stop cussing.
When are you guys gonna lay me some eggs?
They're trying to raise an army, but they do leave the... I think they're trying to raise an army.
But it's gonna have to be hosted.
What did you guys do here?
They pissed in there. It's horrific.
Disgusting.
So it's gonna have to get this poop out, and then I will hose this pee out. Even though I hate to wet it down.
Arca, stop! Stop!
Oh, you got hurt? Nobody cares.
She didn't get hurt.
Yeah, look. Yeah, just paw up like this. Erhan.
Greg, go eat, buddy.
Okay, sure. Come here, Jay. Okay, come on. Let's go.
That foot is never going to heal, it looks like.
Oh, it's almost healed. That's almost closed. That's barely nothing. There's just, I gotta have the fur growth.
He's going to have to step his feet on that shit over there.
Come on, Sage.
Why don't you just put his food outside, too?
Her food outside. Oh, it's steamy.
His, her, she, they, them.
I need to buy hay, though, because she looks a little thin.
No, she does not. They don't need hay. Look at all the nice, lush green grass.
Yeah, it's not enough sometimes.
Of course it's enough.
It's not. Then why do people buy hay for their horses?
In the winter, when they don't, yeah.
Now.
Some people do not have enough grass in their fields. I don't know why you won't believe me.
Because it's just grass. It's not like anything special.
I'm gonna go shoot too, buddy.
Here, Erhan, is maddening.
The what?
There's like a crack that eats all the shit.
Well, you can go ahead and stitch them together if you like.
Is the other side dry? Probably not.
No, the other side is wet, but it looks better than this because there's no shit. I could get out of here. Swing it!
Did you see? I think some of that just went on my face.
Hmm.
You see the video of Charlie Cook being rushed to his waiting SUV by his security? Yeah, they were pinching his. Ugh.
Well, once you lock them out, they start breaking barriers and going into my warehouse.
Because they like to go in there sometimes.
Well, they need some.
It would be nice if they had like a standing, you know, like what everybody else has in the neighborhood.
What do you want me to build now?
Like a standing. I have no brain. You know what I'm talking about.
A standing ovation?
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, you want a shade shelter.
Yeah.
Freddy's always on the lookout for any droppings. Freddy, I ran out of battery on my wrist 360 cam.